Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you're watching this video, this is KR Bhardwaj. I always welcome you to my YouTube channel, Fond of English Education, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, in this video, we are gonna learn about numeral adjectives and quantitative adjectives. This is the fourth video of adjective. A quick recall what we have learned about adjectives till now. In the very first video of adjective, we have learned about introduction and types of adjectives. How many types of adjectives are there in English and what is an adjective. And in the second video of adjective, we learned about uses of some pronouns as adjectives. As you know, some pronouns can be used as adjectives. Many words can be used as an adjective, as an adverb, as a pronoun, as a noun, as a preposition and a conjunction as well. It depends on the nature of the sentence. And in the third video of adjective, we learned about qualitative adjectives. And we have also learned about sequence of adjectives. When two or more adjectives are used in a sentence, we have to write them in an order. We have to write them in a sequence. The sequence of qualitative adjectives is OSASCOM. O stands for opinion, S stands for size, A stands for age, again S stands for shape, and C stands for color, O stands for origin, M stands for material, and P stands for purpose. I hope you have watched previous videos. If you haven't watched previous videos, please go to the home page of the channel and watch, and you can go to the description. Check description below. The links of all videos have been given in the description. So let's start this video. So guys, in this slide we are gonna learn about numeral adjectives. In the next slide we will learn about quantitative adjectives. Okay, we learned about qualitative adjectives in the very last video. Today we will learn about quantitative adjectives. What is a quantitative adjective? We will learn about it in the next slide. But now, first of all, let me teach you about numeral adjectives. Guys, numeral adjectives. The adjective that indicates, that shows the number of a noun, the number of a pronoun, and tells how much and how many. Guys, point to be noted, how much and or how many of something is called numeral adjective. Guys, here I have to say or, not and, it's or. Okay, numeral adjective, I repeat, the adjective that indicates, that shows the number of a noun, the number of a pronoun. It could be a noun, it could be pronoun. Okay, the number of noun, a number of a pronoun, and it tells, numeral adjective tells how much, how much is used for countable noun, how many is used for, how much is used for uncountable noun, and how many is used for countable noun. We will learn about it in further, okay, about it. Here, so how tells us how much or how many of something is called numeral adjective. Guys, point to be noted. There are two types of numeral adjectives. Okay, numeral adjectives can be used in two ways. Guys, point to be noted, there are two numeral adjectives you can say. First is ordinal. Guys, point to be noted. First is ordinal adjective, number, ordinal number. Ordinal number. I'm writing roughly. And second is cardinal number. And second, cardinal number. Ordinal number and cardinal number. Guys, pay attention over here. Ordinal numbers are one, okay, first, second, third. Guys, okay, for example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, these are ordinal numbers. When we talk about cardinal numbers are, okay, 1, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you can write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, both are cardinal numbers. Okay, 1, 2, you can write this way and this way, both are cardinal numbers. Okay, both the ways are cardinal numbers. And when we talk about ordinal number is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. All these are ordinal numbers. So guys, I hope you understood. So when we talk about numeral adjective, okay, a numeral adjective, an adjective that indicates, that shows the number of a noun, and tells how much and how many of something is called numeral adjective. There are two types of numeral adjectives. Okay, numeral adjectives can be written in two ways. Okay, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Okay, first ordinal numbers, second cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers first, second, third, fourth and fifth, etc., etc. And when we talk about cardinal number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc., etc. I hope you understood. Guys, it's very important to learn about, okay, adjective, numeral adjective and quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjectives. Yes, about quantitative adjectives. So in the next slide we will learn about quantitative adjective. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Guys, now we are gonna learn about quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjective, the adjective, okay, the adjective that expresses the quality of a noun, or of a noun. Guys, point to be noted. The adjective that expresses the quality of a noun or of a noun is called a quantitative adjective. Guys, point to be noted. Okay, for example, some, much, few, little, a lot, several, most, not much, many, you can say certain, and numeral adjectives as well. Numeral adjectives means, so we learned about 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, etc., etc. All these are numeral adjectives. I hope you understood. There are two types of numeral adjectives. Do you remember? I taught you numeral adjective, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Okay, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. 1, 2, 3 and first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc., etc. These are also quantitative adjectives. That's why I taught you about numeral adjectives. In the very first slide we learnt about it. So I repeat, guys, these all are quantitative adjectives. Okay, some, you can say much, many, few, little, a lot of, and you can say lots of. Guys, point to be noted, lot of and lots of, both are same. You can't write okay, lots of. Okay, it's an incorrect phrase. Okay, we have to write a lot of and lots of. Only you can write lots of. I'm so sorry. Okay, lots of. Now it's a correct sentence. Okay, phrase. So guys, point to be noted. And several, most, certain and numeral adjectives all are quantitative adjectives. Guys, in the next slide we will learn about much and many, uses of much and many. We are gonna learn about much and many. Guys, point to be noted, much and many. Okay, for better understanding I would love to teach you the pair. Okay, what's the use of, what is the difference between much and many, what is the difference between few and little, what is the difference between first and foremost, what is the difference between near and next. Okay, all these adjectives I will teach you step by step. We will learn about these adjectives step by step. Okay, today we are gonna learn about much and many. What is the difference between them and how do we use? Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot and not, you can take. Guys, here have a look at the word. Okay, much and many. Guys, first of all, what is the difference between them? Guys, point to be noted, much is used. Okay, let me write much. Okay, much is used. Guys, point to be noted, much is used for uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns. Guys, point to be noted, much is used for uncountable nouns. And when we talk about many, many is used for countable noun. countable nouns. Guys, point to be noted, much is used for uncountable nouns. I hope you know about uncountable noun. What is the difference between countable and uncountable noun? Okay, I taught each and everything in noun chapter. If you haven't watched that video, please go to the home page of the channel and watch. Okay, so let me tell you about uncountable noun. An uncountable noun cannot be counted. Guys, point to be noted. An countable noun. An uncountable noun cannot be counted. Like water. Okay, water cannot be counted. We can't count water. Okay, water, sugar, furniture, scenery, information, legislation, okay, oil, etc., etc., all are uncountable nouns. So guys, point to be noted. I hope you know about it. So these are, okay, so much is used for uncountable noun. And guys, point to be noted, as an adjective, we are talking about as an adjective, much is used for uncountable noun. Guys, much can be used as an adverb as well. Okay, we will learn about it in adverb chapter, how much is used. Okay, how we can use much as an adverb. If you, okay, I haven't taught you about adverbs. If you are watching this video previously, please check playlist. Maybe adverb has been completed. Okay, so here when we talk about many, many is used for countable noun. Countable noun means a noun that can be counted, like pen. Pen is a countable noun. Okay, one pen, two pens. Boy, boy is also a countable noun. One boy, two boys, many boys, you can say. Not much boys, it's an incorrect. Okay, we don't say many water. No, it's an incorrect sentence. Okay, water is an uncountable noun. We can't use many for uncountable noun. Okay, this is the first difference between much and many. Okay, student. Student is also a countable noun. Guys, point to be noticed, student is also a countable noun. And many things that can be counted. Okay, a noun that can be counted. Boy, man, girls, student. And when we talk of pen, chair, table, okay, chair, table, these are, okay, countable noun. But when we talk about furniture, furniture is an uncountable noun. Scene is a countable noun. And when we talk about scenery, scenery is an uncountable noun. Guys, point to be noted, I taught each and everything thoroughly in the noun chapter, countable and uncountable noun. Okay, watch if you haven't watched that video yet. I repeat, this is the first, guys, first use of, okay, what is the difference between much and many. This is the first, we have to understand the difference between much and many. Is much is used for uncountable nouns. Okay, uncountable noun means a noun that can be counted. And when we talk about many, many is used for countable noun, a noun that can be counted. Uncountable noun that cannot be counted, countable noun that can be counted. I hope you understood. So let me write some examples, okay, about much and many, uses of much and many for better understanding in the next slide. I mean, for better understanding, let me write some examples, okay. Here are some sentences. Okay, first, how many and how much students are there in the class? Guys, point to be noted here. We are talking about students. Okay, student is a countable noun. Okay, students are countable nouns. So that's why we have to use many, not much. Okay, how many students are there in the class? We don't say how much students are there in the class. This is an incorrect sentence. We have to say how many students are there in the class. Okay, many is used for countable noun. And in the second sentence, how much and how many time will it take to be completed? Okay, how much time will it take to be completed, or how many time to be take? Okay, to will it take to be completed? I'm so sorry. So guys, point to be noted, time. Time can be used both countable and uncountable noun. But here in this sentence, time has been used as an uncountable noun. What do I mean by that? Countable and uncountable. What do I mean by that? Time can be used. Time can be written countable and uncountable noun. Why? So guys, here, okay, let me write. Let me tell you first sentence. In this sentence, how much time will it take to be completed? It's an uncountable noun. Okay, time has been used over here as an uncountable noun. Guys, point to be noted. Uncountable noun. Okay, time has been used over here as an uncountable noun. Okay, but you know, when we use time as a countable noun, okay, one time, two time, how many times did I tell you? Okay, how many times did I tell you? Don't do this, don't do that. Okay, you don't listen to me. How many times did I tell you? Okay, always read. Okay, study hard, work hard. How many times did I tell you? When we talk about how many times, okay, plural, as times, in this case times is a countable noun. Okay, how many, as you know, so with countable noun we can use many, but here in this sentence, much, uncountable noun, time is an uncountable noun, so we have to use much, not many. Okay, and this sentence, he has much and he has many work to do. Guys, here, work is an uncountable noun. Guys, point to be noted, work, we can't count work, but in our mother tongue, in Hindi, we say, okay, one work, two work. No, that's an incorrect sentence. We have to write, okay, work, not one work, two work. These are incorrect. Okay, how he has much, not many, he has much work to do. Okay, if you write to use work, okay guys, point to be noted, if you want to use many, you can use he has many pieces of work to do. Guys, point to be noted, many pieces of work. You can write many pieces of work. Okay, let me write many pieces of work. You can write many pieces of work, and two pieces of work, three pieces of work. Okay, that you can make it countable noun. Okay, work. He has many pieces of work, and you can say he has much work to do. I hope you understood. I gave him much good advice, and I gave him many good advice. Advice is an uncountable noun. So for uncountable noun, we use much, not many. Guys, point to be noted, if you want to use many can be used with advice. Guys, point to be noted, we don't say advices. Okay, if you write advices, it's an incorrect word. There is no word like advices. Okay, two advices, no, it's an incorrect. We have to say incorrect sentence. We have to say, I gave him many pieces of work, many pieces of advice. Okay, two pieces of advice, three pieces of advice. You can use many with pieces of. I hope you understood. Actually, I have explained each and everything thoroughly in noun chapter, countable and uncountable noun. Okay, so we had so much and many fun. We had very much and very many fun. We haven't heard about it. Very many fun. No, it's incorrect. We have to say very much and so much. Okay, we had so much fun, and you can say we have very much fun. Both the sentences are correct because fun is an uncountable noun. So for uncountable noun, we use many, not much. I'm so sorry. Yeah, right. Okay, it's okay. Not many, we use much. For uncountable noun, we use much. For countable noun, we use many. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay, you must have heard about this sentence. You must say this. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much. So guys, here, guys, point to be noted, much is an adverb over here. Okay, it's not an adjective. Okay, it's not an adjective, it's an adverb. Much, because why? Because after much we don't have any noun. You know, an adjective is used to modify a noun and pronoun. I hope you understood. So here there is no noun. Many, much, okay, all is used as an adjective for a noun. So here, thank you so much. After that, there is no noun. There is no of a noun. So in this case, it's an adverb. Much has been used as an adverb over here. I hope you understood. So let me repeat once again. How many students are there in the class? Student is a countable noun. That's why many is used. Okay, has been used over here in this sentence. How much time will it take to be completed? He has much work to do. Many pieces of work to do. He has many pieces of work to do. You can write, but when we talk about without pieces of, you can use much work. I gave him much good advice. Okay, not many good advices. It's an incorrect sentence. We have to do many pieces of good advice. You can write. Guys, point to be noted, but here advice, I'm sorry, S-E, here advice, it's a verb. It's a verb. Okay, S-E, A-D-V-I-S-E. Okay, A-D-V-I-S-E. It's a verb. A-D-V-I-I-S-C-E is a noun. It's a noun and it's a verb. Guys, point to be noted. And we had so much fun. We had so much, very much fun. Not many fun. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, sir. You did help me a lot. Here, much is an adverb. I hope you understood. So here, I would love to finish this video over here. In the next video, we will learn about uses of some and any. What is the difference between some and any? When do we use some? When do we use any? If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget like, subscribe and share. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have fun.